Ciao world. This time I'm going to talk you about Proxmox and how to send email from Proxmox. I would like to send email from my Gmail address account, and we are going to use Postfix to send email. But in order to send email, you have to install a couple of packages that are like those one. The latest one is just to take a look at the log file. And in this system here, those packages are yet installed, so you are not going to see anything happening here. When you have set that packages, you have to set, you have to edit, you have to create a file that will contain the password, and that is the name of the file. The content of this file will look something like this, where your username must be the username of your Gmail account and your password without spaces. The password I'm speaking here is an app password. You have to create an app password, and this is the uh, specification, the manual to create a password. You have to enable two-step verification, then you have to set up an app. The password will be temporary, so you can copy and paste that password in that file. It will look something like 16 character number, but you have to paste it without spaces. Then you can save the file. Another file, then you have to set up permission on this file, and you have to set these to the root user like so, and then you have to set permission to 600 and same file here. Last step, you have to use the postmap binary to set up the hash on this file. Then, if you, like me, are going to send email from an account that the root account of the Proxmox environment that doesn't have the same email username on Gmail, you have to create a file that will replace the sender with uh, your Gmail username. And you have to create this one file in which you are going to put this replication regex. It will replace the sender with your user mail, and that other file here, the either check. That, and in this file, this is the syntax you have to use, and here you have to put your user mail. Then latest, you have to set up your postfix main file, that is this here. Here you have to comment out the relay host that will looks usually by default will use look something like this, and on the bottom you have to add this couple of setup here. Then simply restart postfix and you are done. You can send a test email by using this simple command, and this will send email to wherever address you want. And if you have problem, you can take a look at the log file looking at this file here. And it's done. Now you should have Proxmox enabled to send the email. Like if you're going to add a backup, you can send email to your email at email.com just on failure or whatever. So this is all.